Hello guys, so today we're going to be talking about how you can create your own TikTok filters. So all you have to do is go to your favorite browser and then type in TikTok Effect House. Now once here you will open up this first link, and here you will find the website with this software. So as you can see on this website, there are a bunch of different things explaining how you can use this website, what you can do, and everything else. So this is what the program looks like itself, and from here you can create your filters, test them, and then finally you can publish them. And all you have to do to get this program is click on download here, and once you are here you will see this website, and it shows you that the Effect House is currently only available for Windows and for Mac users. As for Windows users, you have minimum system requirements here that you need, and if you check these and you see that you fulfill them, all you have to do is click on download here, and once you download it, you go for a pretty simple install process, and that's it. Now you can use TikTok Effect House. So thank you for listening, and I hope that this helps you.